Welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel. And when you're in real estate, you always walk around or drive around with floors and tile and all that kind of crap in your car. So we're at another store getting some things for rental properties. We're going to put some carpet in the basement to make another room a bedroom for the tenant, just so it can give us some extra space. 3 bedrooms upstairs, 2 in the basement. So just by adding some carpet tiles, which you see the gentleman is putting on the tray right there, we're going to be able to do that. You the tape for what? We are in the process of putting a floor down on an investment property. Really simple task, kind of tedious, but we're getting it done. These are some strips that we bought yesterday that I showed you. And how's it going?
It's going.
Yes, we're too old to be on our knees like this. But we just got the basement painted by a crew. And now we're doing the floor, getting it ready for the tenant. Yay, yay. Looks pretty decent. It's an extra bedroom. So this is a simple process to do if you want to add some flair to a bedroom with cement or concrete flooring. You just get these little strips right here. We paid 50 cents for these little strips. Bought some double-sided tape, and that's it. This is all the tape.
So no more?
This is it. That's what I said. So do you want me to take that off, or? Okay, so really it's so simple. You get the double-sided tape, you put it down, and you have to peel the edge off. Once you peel the edge off, I'm having a hard time pulling it off right now, but once you pull the edge off, basically you pull the edge off, and it's a simple process, and you just lay it down. So peel and stick little carpet squares. Very simple to do. As I mentioned, if you want to complete a room and add more value to your home. And these carpet squares, as I mentioned, was 50 cents. And they were reduced. The gentleman told me they were like $1.59 before, but they were clearance because he had a hard time selling this type of square footage like this, because typically they come in squares, and this is the oblong kind. So they had a difficult time selling them. So they marked them down for 50 cents, and we got a bargain, as you saw yesterday. And those are the rest of them that we're going to finish out this room with, and the room next door. This is the bathroom in this property. Nice little bathroom. Again, that's the extra bedroom. It's a cool property. Some great things. We got the blinds up. It's always good to install blinds so that the residents have those ready when they move in. It's the only thing I've been trying to work with this. For some reason it's not working. Oh, and it fell out. Jeez. It's a nice little kitchen. Nice little kitchen set right there. We have to get a refrigerator. We like to have all of our properties ready to move in, and plus when you have appliances in your units, you actually get more rent for the property. So it's a great thing. And this bathroom is pretty nice too. This is pretty much an updated house when we bought it. A lot of things were already done, so we don't have to do too much. Just come in and give it a little TLC. and it's ready to go. This is one of the bedrooms. I think this is the master because it has a double closet. Typically the master bedrooms have a couple closets in it. But nice square footage here for a nice bed and dresser. And yes, you do hear this has double, triple closets. You do hear the smoke detectors. We are preparing for a building inspection. And for some reason, they won't come out. This one is working, but a couple of them are beeping through. Oh, that was beeping too. And this is the smaller of all the bedrooms in this property. So it's ready to go. And one thing I did like about this one, when we bought the property, is that it had nice black doors. I love black doors. They painted them instead of the typical white. And this is the dining room / living room. You got nice mirrors up there. You got the black blinds there that kind of enclose the kitchen. So that's a good thing. If you want to open them up, you can. I don't want to open them up and mess them up, but yeah. So other than that, it's almost ready to move in. Great day. Great work day. High five. All right. Change. Another routine thing you have to do is change the smoke detectors. The inspector definitely will not pass your property if you don't change the smoke detector. Today's glorified message is God purposed you for success. Do not negate with your value. Do not negate with your worth. Do not negate with being your best self daily on a regular. Happy Tuesday. Blessings. We are on our way to a networking happy hour. Real estate. Yeah.
Good.
What? Yeah, the house.
They buy houses.
I'm looking at you. On our way in to do a little networking, get our name out there, meet some people with some money. What is this? Global Brews.
Yeah.
Very informative.
Yeah, to the yeah.
No cursing, okay? Yes, we had a great time, great connections, left up out of there, network. Your
Time
network
well
is your
spent.
net worth. I'm telling y'all, you can't only see me high, you see me.
Get in where you fit in.
Get in where you fit in, stand out. Always stand out. So we're really excited about our next journey, next venture, next lifestyle, up level to your next level. Amen. Thank you for watching the Startup CEO Lifestyle TV. If this is your first time here, do not let it be your last. Make sure you come back and see me. If you're a returning family member, thank you for coming back and watching my videos.